Okay, we are looking for a deer which is up here. I'm just going in the field. There she be. You can't see it yet, but uh-oh. Some water. Oh, this is crap. What did I do? Okay. Oh. All this for a feature film. Here we go. Hey, buddy. I don't know if you can see it. Hey. There it is. Look at that. There we go. Wow. One of the bigger ones I've seen here. Little set of antlers there. That's a boy. Oh wow, look at that. Hey buddy. Just give me a sec. I'm just gonna. Okay. Don't want to interfere. Just want to take a view. Hey bud. There you go. I see ya. Hey bud. Okay.